Some properties give you space, others give you layers to live in. At 392 Old Homestead Lane in Hayesville, the setting immediately stands out, with streams bordering the property, creating a sense of movement, sound, and calm that's always present. It's not just land, it's a backdrop that never feels still. The main level is designed for everyday living, a comfortable layout with a living room, dining area, kitchen, and sitting room, along with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Everything you need, all on one level. Easy, functional, connected. But what makes this home different is what happens below. A fully finished lower level opens up a second way to live, with expansive space for entertaining, hosting guests, or creating a private retreat. A full kitchen and bathroom make it feel complete, not secondary. Outside, the streams continue to shape the experience, wrapping the property in the kind of natural setting that brings a little more peace into everyday life. Because here, you're not choosing between space and simplicity. You get both. 392 Old Homestead Lane, a home that gives you more than one way to live.